Leveraging AI in the Veeam Data Platform is going to not only enhance the usability of the product, but also provide deeper insights and understanding of what is happening in your environment. The demo I'm about to show you is a preview of the next release of the Veeam Data Platform. To access Veeam Intelligence, you will need to open the Veeam 1 web client. From here, you may see a new icon that is located on the toolbar. This is where you're going to access Veeam Intelligence. So let's go ahead and click on it. As you see, it's ready to assist me with Veeam 1. I'm going to go ahead and ask it a question. I'm going to go ahead and ask it to give me an overview of the alarms I have going off in my backup environment. Now it's going to analyze my environment and provide me with the alarms that are occurring in my environment. It's going to show me the top 10 alarms and provide me with the ability to ask it another question to dive a little bit deeper into these alarms. But in this example, I really want to identify the most critical alarms that are happening in my environment. So I'm going to ask it, which are these alarms are the most critical? So now I can see the most critical alarms that are happening in my environment, so I can easily troubleshoot these alarms so I can prevent any type of data loss or unprotected data. By leveraging AI and Veeam Intelligence, we can enhance backup observability, identify failures, and optimize our environment, ensuring more reliable and efficient data protection. Back to you, Anand.